TG-5 Golf Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend to altitude 5,000 feet.
Operated by an Austrian company called GlobeAir, and she's just landed from Biggin Hill Airport in the south of England. Looks like it's on a demo flight there, stopping so quickly, absolutely amazing.
Back to depart to Istanbul, and the temperature in Istanbul is not very warm at the moment. Doing the same thing as the Jet2, it's doing a maintenance flight, so it's very good. Departing from Manchester to a quick circuit to Manchester.
An intersection departure.
Sometimes they will fly both the North Sea, often they'll just literally do a quick circuit and land straight back down. So we'll let you know what these two are doing.
They're going to do a flying display for us.
That's an intersection departure there for the Ryanair. Of course it will be very light. It's got no passengers on board, and it's just literally just some crew to do a quick circuit.
Just like to do a quick maintenance circuit, and then the Jet2 will follow just behind. Having a race. So this is quite cool. Got a Jet2 right at the threshold of 0.5 over there, and then there's panic across here. Look at that. We've got the Ryanair waiting for clearance as well. Obviously the Ryanair's going to go first, otherwise there might be a bit of a problem. There they go, see them in the distance.
Two aeroplanes lining up to depart.
And the flight control officer just got out of the vehicle, and they're fired off.
Going now, Josh. We had to wait for some birds to be scared off. Here he goes. Next.
And
118.630, mile 107.
And the Jet2 is also now starting its roll as well.
It's just a slightly different logo, that's all. See Jodrell Bank in the background there.
probably up to 100 Rolls-Royce cars coming along on that day. They're going to be demonstrating the cars in the park here, and then there's going to be an orchestra playing in the Concorde hangar, and Concorde, of course, powered by Rolls-Royce engines. Here goes the KLM 737 now, departing to Amsterdam.
Trading nicely. That's Embraer Boeing 777 and F-HLBA this morning. That's Dublin.
But I moved up north, or moved back north, I should say, a few weeks ago.
Doing these flights for maintenance reasons, but also to keep the
I'm funny if the Jet2 come back first, isn't it?
And following the Ryanair, the Jet2 737-800 about to touch down. Again, generally a maintenance flight with pilots.